I'm Jordan, and I'm going to show you now how to create agenda items for your event. So you'll see here I'm already logged into the admin side of the event, which we call the dashboard. From here, I can navigate to Watch Now and click on Rooms. You'll see I've already created a room called Main Stage, but it's got no sessions at the moment. So what I need to do is click on that main stage, and what I can do is then create a session within this room. So I'll call this session Introduction to the Event. Write a description. Select a start time. So this one is going to start at 1 p.m. and an end time. So I'll set this one to finish at 1:10. You can see that the smallest session size is 5 minutes. Now I can search for a speaker who's going to deliver this session. This person needs to already be a registered attendee of the event. I can then link my stream, which I'll talk about in another video, select a partner, and link any feedback forms that I might want to have at the end of the session. Then I just click Create.